Well, meanwhile, the American COVID vaccine here, Moderna, has been named best jab at the annual World Vaccine Congress in Washington. Russia has questioned why the vaccine was singled out over the others, and although no criteria was given, Professor Stanley Plotkin, who was at the conference, does say it was lauded for its revolutionary technology.
I was not responsible for the award, but I understand why that particular vaccine was given the highest honors. What I think was being rewarded is a vaccine platform, that is the messenger RNA, which has not been extensively tried and tested before, and which has been shown to be highly effective. It gives an excellent immune response that seems to last at least for a number of months, which so far have been measured. Although it causes local reactions and fatigue and some discomfort, they don't last, so that the secondary effects don't seem to be very major, very important.
That says it does have other features too, which could make it less attractive to some. It is one of the most expensive vaccines available, for example, Sputnik and AstraZeneca here being a lot cheaper. And there have also been concerns too over fatalities. Now, despite cases still being very rare, Moderna has the second worst record there behind the Pfizer jab. However, it does have very good efficacy, as was mentioned, as do most of the other jabs. In fact, Sputnik leads the way here, with the top three being in excess of 90%. Well, we talked to Lawrence Young, a professor of molecular oncology in the UK, about this. He is against having league tables, though, and says it does not help the global battle against the pandemic.
I would be very concerned about trying to have a league table of what's a good vaccine, what's a bad vaccine. What we know for sure is that most of the vaccines that have been approved around the world and are currently being used offer very good protection from serious disease. And I think having like a league table of vaccines is very dangerous, and certainly not necessarily the right thing to be doing at a time when what we need to be ensuring is that as many people around the world get whatever vaccines available. Whether that will help in improving the distribution of vaccines, I'm not sure. These are very complicated vaccines to manufacture, and I think what we've got to do again across the world is look at the capacity for improving the manufacture as well as the distribution. So I think there is a bit of geopolitics here, but it isn't very helpful when the most important thing for all of us is to ensure that everybody's protected, because as people keep saying, and it's a correct thing to keep saying, nobody in the world is safe from this virus until everybody is safe.